I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with lifetime opportunities for investors in the markets, with clear instructions, entry prices, position sizing, ratings, 100% free for you to make whatever you want. You just have to follow the instructions and nothing else. I'm referring to this article. You have hundreds of them on the blog of the company with recommendations for you to make, like I said before, and I repeat myself, millions of dollars risk-free. I would like to address the opportunity in these two companies, PayPal, a lifetime holding, which I've been referring here continuously since IPO, the company that I recommended for small investors on a long-term basis to retire as millionaires, as well as this very recent opportunity that came into 2020, a company that I was very bearish about. I'm referring to Overstock, but with the recent crash in the markets, we changed our outlook in Overstock, considering it one of the best stocks for you to buy. So you have here a recommendation when to buy. All our users bought massive amounts. Overstock is going to soar. You have here the reasons why to buy shares of Overstock, the price, and the potential profit that you eventually can obtain 1000%. The Fed can send shares to any price. Call your broker today. This article, it was made available to investors on the day that the share price closed at $16. However, our recommendation, it started for everyone on the free real-time market feed, followed by thousands of investors worldwide at a price of $12 for our users, in particular mine, on live trading at $3. So we are looking at a potential 10,000% profit, if not even higher. But you have to call your broker today. Having said this, you also have this opportunity, once again, as I've been explaining here for years, in the case of PayPal, the company that we named it as the best financial stock to buy in 2020. The reason is rather simple. Every single month, PayPal makes a new millionaire. So if you buy the stock according to our instructions, within 1 month, you are going to be a multi-millionaire, unless you are a complete idiot or scammer American disregarding the value of our track record since 1989, which is absolutely perfect, unlike scammers like Warren Buffett. As an example, he never invested in this company. Moreover, you also have on the same article, so notice 3 positions for you to buy. The case of Shopify. Shopify it is even better because they create billionaires every single year, as I've been addressing here since IPO, starting coverage of the company when very few they were familiar with the Shopify or what the company did, precisely at $18. Also, I remind that our, for example, store autonomous trading is precisely based on Shopify. And with this, I terminate. So call your broker, buy overstock, large amounts of overstock, invest in PayPal. PayPal makes a new millionaire every single month. And finally, invest in Shopify. I think that this is externally explicit, even for those that they have issues with the English language.